Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is my Allure beauty unboxing for November, my birthday month. Happy birthday to me! Woo woo! Scorpio season. Was this already open? I feel like this was already open. Huh. One, two, three, four. Okay. Everything's in there, so. Okay. Hands are dry. Just got done washing them. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this Fenty body butter in warm cinnamon toast, butter drop, warm cinnamon, shimmering whipped oil body cream. It does have a shimmer to it. It is very, very moisturizing. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, I didn't use very much, and look how shiny and moisturized they look now. Okay. I had a migraine all day at work. I tried to not take ibuprofen, or I'm sorry, Excedrin migraine at the advice of my doctor. That did not work. I took 1,000 milligrams of Tylenol, and that did not help at all. So Tylenol is not the drug for me. Okay, FYI. Excedrin migraine. Well, I mean, I took 3 of them. So anyway, the holiday gift guide inside. Oh, okay. Okay, well, let's see what we've got in the box. Let's go. Let's get to it. It seemed to cut open really easy, and I don't know if it's because those scissors are sharper or because they were already open. I don't know. But everything appears to be inside. So, moving on. I didn't look at my box before it shipped. I didn't pick anything extra. I just went with it. Or is that Ipsy? Anyways, first thing in the box. Oh, Orborian Korean skin therapy. Skin therapy, 17 super ingredients. Multi-perfecting night oil. I used to buy this brand. I haven't seen it in a while. I forget what I used to buy from them, but I did like the brand. Let's see. This is a multi-perfecting night oil. Ooh, how pretty. Very cute. Skin 17 nutrients. Okay, Yuka, let's see what you got. Because you know we're going to scan it, right? We're not going to live and die by the app, but we are going to check it. Let's see. I did not get rid of my headache till late in the day. So, yeah, what you see is what you get. Oh, 72. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. Next, we have Eva, New York City. 48-hour volume. Thickens and softens. Lift off volume mask. And this is for your hair, I'm assuming. Thickening mask that plumps up the volume. Ready for lift off. Use me on damp hair 2 to 3 times a week. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay. Little sample pack. Okay. So 2 to 3 times a week. I could probably, a little bit at a time. All right. Okay. Thickening. Okay. Also really good on Yuka. Okay. Okay. It is Eva NYC. Okay. All right, Allure. Hit me with it. Okay. Obagi Clinical. Kinetin Hydrating Cream. Powerful plant growth factors to help minimize the signs of aging. And I'm going to go with a face wash. Apply 1 to 2 pumps hydrating cream to the face and neck twice daily. Avoid. Oh, it's a moisturizer, I guess. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is the box. I did not have a super productive day. I did get a little bit of work done. Oh, nice. Looks like it's going to be a pump. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, 1.7 fluid ounces. Obagi cream hydrating cream. Yeah, so it's a moisturizer. Very nice. I like the packaging. I like this. I like this box so far. I'm really excited. Okay, let's scan you. We're on a roll, so we'll see. Okay. Oh, there. Oops, I missed it. Sorry. Oh, this one didn't get as good a rating. It's 41 out of 100, but that's okay. Moderate risk phenoxyethanol. Okay. Prevent growth of microorganisms. So we don't want bacteria growing, but I guess there's other ways to get that done, but whatever. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. I have gotten something from Anastasia, but not a brow pencil. I got the long skinny one with the spoolie at the end. Oh, this is a nice fat one. Big fat spoolie. Okay. Big fat pencil. I will save this for when the other one is empty. The other one works really well. It's nice, small, thin hairs. So I don't have really thick eyebrows. So I actually might give that one away. This one is in dark brown. This also did not get a good rating. Moving on. I still have 3 more things in the box. Crazy, right? Miche Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. Frizz-free definition. Miche or Miche? Miche? I think it's Miche. You tell me what you think. 3, I would guess this is step 3 in a line of products. A nice little travel mousse. Perfect for when I go on trips. I don't have any coming up, but I might. Let's see. Let's stay under the QR code. Nope, not going to work. It doesn't have a barcode on it, so it's a mousse. Let me see. Is it alcohol free though? For all hair types, vegan, cruelty free. Oh my gosh, this writing is so small. No silicones, sulfates, parabens, drying alcohol, mineral oil, petroleum, artificial colors, or phthalates. Very nice. Okay, cool. Good. This box is hitting. 2 more products. Okay. Allure. All right. So the next thing is from Kylie Cosmetics, which I have not gotten anything in any of my boxes from Kylie Cosmetics. This is in the close matte. This is Kylie's matte liquid lipstick in close matte or something like that. It's like a brown. Ooh, a nice nude. This is a liquid lipstick. I will tell you, I have never purchased any of her liquid lipsticks. This looks like a nice color. Oh, wow. I can't wait to use that. Her liquid lipsticks have been very popular. It's made her a billionaire, apparently. So they're very popular. So I am looking forward to trying this matte. It's brown. And last but not least, the Fenty perfume. Eau de parfum. 0.33 ounces. This looks like looks like the mini rollerball. Or spray. Oh, look at this frosted glass. Okay. It's a spray. Oh, okay. So this is a duplicate, but I think the other one that I got was in the Ipsy box. So, yeah. I mean, I still have a ton of it, but I might have to give this away too. This is pretty. Is the other one frosted? Let me go get it and find out. Let's go check. Okay. So this is the other one from the other box. I can't imagine that they would have sent this to me so quickly because they've never duplicated anything. So this must be from the Ipsy box or the BoxyCharm. Let's see. Is this the same? Because I didn't open it because I wasn't going to use it. Oh, this one's different. Oh, this one's different. And this is Also a spray, but this is clear. Oh, this one I'm giving away anyway, so it wasn't a big deal, but the frosted glass is just really cool looking. So I might have to keep that one. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I have two. Let me make sure look, let me make sure I put the right one where. Oh, I see. So you can tell when you open it. Or can you? No, you can't. I was gonna say you can tell when you open it. Oh, one is darker than the other, but you really can't. Can you? Let me get my flashlight. Let me see. Oh gosh. Nope, they're the same color. So looking at them straight on, you can't tell. Okay. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. One of them is going to my friend, and the other one is going possibly to my collection. That's it. That's the box. Oh, the Yuka app for Kylie. I can't imagine this is going to get a good rating. It didn't. And the Fenty, it's a perfume, so probably not. Oh, actually, the Fenty has got a 50, so it's good. Considered good because 50 and above. So that's surprising. Anastasia, did I already scan that? Oh, I did. Okay, the only thing we didn't scan or we didn't get a rating on was the mousse, but it is formulated without all the bad stuff and without any alcohol, so that's great. I'm trying to peel the label back, which is not a peel label. So, okay, I am super excited about this box. This is really, really, really great, and yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Allure. I mean, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money. I said I was going to probably keep this till the new year. I don't see myself stopping, honestly. I've still been buying stuff for the baby as if I deal drugs on the side and have all this extra income. I don't. I so don't. But I am super excited. I can't wait to start shopping for Christmas gifts. Oh, whoa. Okay. So one of the things that they tell you about the Allure box is it's valued at such and such a money, dollars, right? This Anastasia Beverly Hills, and these are full-size products except for this. This is probably the only thing that's not. This is full size. This is $26 retail. This is full size. This is $21 retail, the Kylie. This is full size. This is $62. This is $62 retail. This one right here. The Fenty is well, this size isn't $140, but this size is probably, well, I don't know. It says $140 for 75 mils, and I only have a 10 mil thing, so do the math, because I'm not going to. The Herborian, oh, it was a serum or something that I used to buy. Anyways, this is $59 for a 30 mil. This is so $60 for a 30 mil. This is a 10 mil, so it's about $20. What else do I have? Okay, the mousse is $23 for 7.5 ounces. This is 2.5 ounce. This is 2 ounces. So 24 divided by 3.5 is what? $8. The mask is $16 for 250 mil. This is 20 mil. I'm not doing that math. What the heck? Anyway, this makes up for the whole box by itself. This makes up for the whole box by itself because I'm pretty sure that this travel size is like 25 or 29 or something like that on Sephora and Ulta's website. Let me look it up real quick. While I'm looking it up, pause and talk amongst yourselves. Okay, so this size, which is 0.33 ounces, which I confirmed somewhere when I looked at it. Yep, is $39. So this alone pays for this entire box. This alone. Yeah, so this, you get your money's worth with Allure's beauty box. You really do. And I am very, very pleased with it. So I will continue to get it. And the products I find are very good. Ooh, look at my gray patch. My natural hair is just, this gray is just blossoming. Okay. Even though I had a headache all day, I did kind of refresh my hair when I got up this morning, and the curls were great all day. It wasn't like I had my hair too tight or whatever. I woke up with it and I could not get rid of it. Oh my gosh, it was awful. Yeah, so great box. Thank you for watching. That's all. Oh, I think I mentioned to you that I would let you know how something worked. But I don't remember what it is. I don't remember. I'll have to do an end of year review on some of the things I've gotten. Maybe that's what I'll do. We'll see how that goes. All right, thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day. Yeah, 2024, what a year, right? What a year. Peace.